мне нужен был только инстинкт. Плечо полюбиться, нам нужно вылезти. Тебя голова свистит, но ничем вылечим.
Yo, yo, yo. How you doing, guys? Hello. Hello. You hear me? You hear me? Alright, let's start. Alright, so we have a new trading day. This is too out. Okay. See, let's see.
Прошел взрослый, вышел взрослый. Угораю, как хочу, и всегда им слезы тех, кто не с нами.
Okay, so we have news. We have news in 30 minutes or 12 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Alright. So we had a pretty nice buy at the London session. This one. Now we're just gonna wait for some activations, for some basically, confirmations and news. Alright, guys. Fuck, so you guys didn't hear me. So basically I'm just gonna be, analyzing some pairs, forex pairs, some indexes, we have 4 of them right here, maybe 3. We have the gold, alright, we are gonna analyze gold. Maybe some stocks, like the main ones, the winners. Where's Tesla? We got Intel, Apple. Alright, so yeah. Basically we're waiting for Tesla to start pumping. Alright, so we wanna see a pump, we're further up. It says volume imbalance. We wanna see a retracement. I would like to see the price retrace, and then the real one, the real push, I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, the Tesla, but that is pretty high time frame, so price can go back as well to this fair value that it was previously activated. We getting it on, then I'm gone. It's the type of shit that a nigga be on. Too much on my mind right now. I'm on the grind right now. Looking for me, sucker, then I need to be found right now. I got my 9 right now. Bitch, I blow your mind right now. I ain't fucking round right now. Better get in line. Right, guys, so we're gonna be going back to the euro dollar pair. We got we have a very nice pump right here. It was news, I think. One day when it can't touch nigga like me, I be with this shit. Try and stick me, I'ma get you hit. Yeah, you know just how I get down. bad bitches around. They smoking and they drinking and I'm thinking it could all work out. Seen your bitch back
So yeah, guys, just don't trade news because that's gonna blow your account. So stay away from the market. In 8 minutes, we're gonna have news. So yeah, I'm just basically waiting for news.
Too much on my mind right now. I'm on the grind right now. Looking for me, sucker, then I need to be found right now. I got my 9 right now.
Man, I need a haircut ASAP.
I ain't fucking round right now.
Even my dog needs a haircut, man. Fucking
Fuck
crazy.
around and die right now. Hope you understand that.
Bitch, I'm the man. Ho, I'm the man. You know I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the man. Ho, I'm the man. You know I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the man. Ho, I'm the man. You know I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the man.
So guys, what do we have here? We have job claims. So we do have jobless claims, right? Basically, we don't even care about the constants and the previous indicator, the previous number. All we care about is how much volatility can this new inject in the markets. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for. We hope it's gonna be a good liquidity. I mean good volatility that's gonna be injected to the markets, and basically we just need to wait and see, because yeah, we have a nice trend line right here. It's building up. It's been alright since 5:30. We have already almost 3 hours of building. That's a lot of time of position building. So what we wanna see is price coming back to this fair value gap. We need a minor chain of character and maybe an order flow to enter the position, right? So we need to go back to the 1 hour order block right here. It is waiting for us. I mean, I don't want to see bullishness in the market until we break this, or I mean this zone right here, this price, right? It is the, I don't have the, yeah, I do have the OHLC numbers right here. So the high is 1.09011, right? So that's the level we are seeking to break if we wanna or we are expecting to see bullishness in the market. But I mean, you can enter buys or sells in lower time frames, because we are seeing these kind of little trends that's in low time frames are always bouncing around, you know. You can sell and buy the same day at low time frames without any major problems. But yeah, basically I'm waiting, you know, because we have news. So we have this scenario right here. This is the closest one, all right? So the basics of this trade, of this strategy, I mean, it's more like price action, right? Yeah, it's kind of price action. We did had, all right, just going to explain really quick. I use this indicator, is the market sessions indicator. All right, so we had the this is called the 12 a.m. open, right? So this price is going to be really useful if we wanna trade how you call it, power of 3, or maybe some silver bullet strategy. Okay, so at the moment of the open of the new day, we are going to seek below this price. We're going to seek buys, and above this price we're going to see we're going to be seeking sales if the price action tell us so. Okay, so in this case we had the previous daily low. This is big liquidity right here that, as you can see, it was taken at the London Open. So you can say this is this high right here is kind of is Euro swing, I would say, because it is confirming a change of character. If we see it this way, all right, at the London Open, but it is not, right? We have liquidity right here, and it's not just a simple liquidity, it is a major liquidity. Okay, it is major liquidity, and we will have all of that taken out. All right, we swept it very fast, and then you can look for a reversion. All right, so yeah, you can enter at any 5-minute change of character. I would say right here. This is the last high we have made. It is a all right, so it's not a swing high. If you like to trade swing, I would in your place wait for this high to be taken, but this is an intern high, so yeah, it works as well. I mean, what I'm trying to say is you need a break, all right, after the sweep to look for a position, all right, a retracement and then an expansion. Okay, that's all, very simple. All right, so we didn't have a change of character at this pair, but at a pound we did you can see it right here. We did have a change of character at pound dollar. All right, so we had basically a change of character, then we had a major retracement, all right, of all this swing. All right, we are trading swing, not the intern range, and then we got a pump. I did not take this trade, but it was a pretty familiar one, right? So I just looked at it because I didn't like this type of structure, right? So in my experience, it's maybe 50, maybe 40% of the time comes down and does a new low, like, how to say it, and you would have like this high swept, and then this one, and then the real change of character, right, and then the retrace and continuation, right? But that's why I don't like this kind of setups, but yeah, it's kind of worked this time, this way. And yep, alright, so yeah, we have news, we have a retracement right here at 15 minutes, right? So listen and look at me. This is why I don't trade news, because it can take all of your it can blow you up. You can blow easily your account, because news don't understand about market structure. Okay, news can do, I mean, 60 pips in just 1 second, right? That's very crazy. If you are looking right now, 60 pips in 1 second is like from here to here in just a matter of seconds. Okay, so this is why you don't trust news at least you really know what you're doing. Okay, so we didn't have an activation of this zone, but okay, I see at pound dollar we did have an activation of this zone, right? So we have, all right, I'm just gonna show you guys this impulse, retracement, pulse, retracement, new one. This is the swing one. All right, we had a retracement and an activation of this zone. All right, so this is basically the same zone that we have in euro dollar. I'm just gonna show you really quick. Okay, you can see it, but yeah, this is very good. All right, so in pound dollar we have an activation point, we have a change of character, kinda. Yep. Okay, we have like maybe here, but this is the latest one. And what we are going to do is just we're just gonna wait for maybe for a retracement. Okay, right. So who wants me to trade a funded account challenge, bro? I mean, yesterday I did had a position. I'm gonna show you, if you're watching, I'm gonna show you maybe in 1 hour the recap, how it went, and yeah, so stay and you will see. So let me tell you guys, alright, I'm just in love with trading. I cannot do another thing if it's not trading. Alright, that's my song. Yeah, excuse me guys, I'm just like 24/7 in the PC, alright, so we're just gonna have a little bit of trading, a little bit of crazy strategies. We have a -3 expansion that's giving us a 1:7 risk reward ratio. This radio is very crazy, bro. It's very crazy. Alright, so what do I have right here? We have a Nord block. Okay, so we have Nord block. Okay, we have a sweep, liquidity sweep. We can trade this position right here. We have daily fair value gap that is been creating. It has been creating right now with the with yesterday's news. Hold a second. Hold just a second. Yesterday we had 9 p.m. 9 a.m. Okay, so who knows which who knows the I need the ticker for the London index, maybe for the FTSE 100. How do I write it? Like this? No, this is not. This is swap, some swap contracts. Alright, so it is the UKX. It is the UKX. Alright, guys, so it opens at 3 a.m. Alright? Yeah, it opens 3 a.m. Now it is opening at 3 a.m., but I'm just gonna put it right here. So yeah, so if this is opening at 3 a.m. New York time, it means that the London Killzone starts at 3 a.m. New York time. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. We are gonna have a change at the yeah, so we have two more weeks of trading at 9:30 a.m. So in 2 weeks we're gonna have a back in time, right? So we're gonna change the opening time for the New York stock market open from 9:30 to 8:30, right? So now it would be already open, but now it's opening at 9:30, right? So yeah, that's basically what we have, what we're working with. We do have an activation of this order block. this fair value gap swept. The market didn't care about this. Okay, so billion. This is very crazy, alright? So look at these guys. It did like so. The DXY is crazy, boys. It's very crazy. So look at this. Damn. I'm just gonna delete this. So if we watch carefully, we have the London Open. I mean this is Tokyo low, let's say it. It would be the Tokyo high in euro dollar, but as long as they are not, I mean they're correlated by a high percent, so this low in the DXY would be the high at the euro dollar, right? You got it? Okay. So the market at the New York Open went down. It created a kinda like something like a floor or support, alright? And it did made a change of character right here, right here. But then what? It came back and it swept everything below it. And then okay, and then with the news it just skyrocketed. Till the London high, right? That would be a euro dollar London slow, alright? So it's pretty crazy how things work. In euro dollar we did have a sweep of all these highs, alright? So price swept it all and then it falls down, right? So as well it kinda engineered a liquidity right here, right? Then it came down and then it pumped and then it dumped, alright? So it's not new for us, but we're just gonna be analyzing everything and see what we can do. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now what do we have? What do we have right here? We don't need this. We just need this baby right here. Okay, so sweet. We have a nice Fibonacci. We have a nice Fibonacci that was respected at this pair right here, and we are looking for possible confirmations, for possible new biases. Okay, so I don't like this too much because just the fact that we already did have, or we already took this major liquidity out, alright? So it is kind of a problem of trust, because at this point you don't know if he's going to be doing a new low, right? In low time frames we can see that yep, it did clearly made a change of character and now is coming back for a rebalance of all this on, right? But at the same time, where is the next major liquidity, right? If we are, or we know that this has already been eliminated, right? So the next major liquidity is up here, right above this high, this swing high. Okay, so I would not be I don't know, I would not be surprised if price comes and does this, right? So we're gonna be seeing some nice impulse, fair value gaps, and this liquidity right here, right? So the fair value gaps are zones that I categorize them as full stations, because price comes back to that zone, either is backwards or upwards, downwards or upwards, and then when the price activates that zone, then it just goes right away, right? Continues its path, either is a fair value gap or an order block, right? Propulsion order block, and that's how I see it, right? So 5 minutes, 15 minutes we have. So today is, I mean, tomorrow is the last day, but today is the last tradable day, because as you know, Fridays are mostly very sketchy and very choppy, without major volatilities or major news. So I would be pretty careful. I would be pretty careful if I was you when trading at Fridays, okay? So today is my, I'm not saying that I don't trade at Fridays, but most of the time I'm not looking for trade in Friday or at Friday. But if I see the opportunity, the perfect trade, parameters, right? You know, no news at the moment, and good volatility, clear objectives, what else, etc, etc, I would be maybe, but I'm just saying that I would be opening a position at that time. Okay, so sorry. So just seeing very fast. Okay, so yep, we have a fair value gap, a daily fair value gap at this low and this high. Wednesday's low, today's high potentially. So tomorrow, or maybe maybe we are just gonna stay in this range until market closes. Let's see, 1 minute. Yeah, I've seen so many times this same pattern, right? So like this. It's a crazy amount of pips just for 1, 2. I'm not saying that this couldn't be the trade for today, but I don't like it. Okay. have in 1 and 3 minutes activation. Yeah, not bad, but I don't like it, so I'm not in. I would be watching what price can do at this time. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna bet that price is gonna be ranging to the upside right here till the market closes, and then maybe at London we're gonna see a pump, or maybe, just maybe, we're gonna see an accumulation right here. Is either gonna be down here or up here. If it is up here, it would be better, because it says that this order block will be still valid. Alright, so we have the new day, we have today's high, we have a London, or I'm sorry, Tokyo high, Tokyo swing, we might see a EURUSD swing. Alright, we might see a liquidity take right here. Like this. Okay. An activation of the fair value gap on this new day, maybe at London or at New York. The activation I'm referring. And yeah, just the distribution right here, like this. Right, so maybe this, maybe we're gonna go to this low, alright, before going up, and that's the best case scenario I would like to see. Okay, because we are taking a major liquidity. Okay, today's low, and at the same time we are gonna be looking for a potentially longs for the next week. Alright, so we're gonna be watching for longs like this, you know, the ones we are used to after a crazy downtrend. It was almost, or maybe more than half a month. Alright, 17 days. It is pretty crazy. Okay guys, so I'm sorry, I'm just gonna sleep because I'm trading already more than 8 hours and it makes me want to sleep. Okay, I'm gonna explain yesterday's trade, okay, really fast. So maybe I'm gonna do it offline, yeah, better, because yeah, it's pretty crazy. A GBP USD, we have this. I don't need to write this, I don't need to draw any, you know, any drawings, because I do this unintentionally. This is like autopilot for me. Okay, so it's crazy. Okay guys, so yep, I think this is it. I will be looking for, damn, so guys, this is freaking crazy. Damn, bro. So yeah, this is yesterday's high. Okay, so we are experiencing right now a I'm gonna be. I think I'm gonna trade today. I think I'm gonna trade today. I don't know, you guys, but I'm smelling it. I'm smelling the profit at the US CAD. Oh, I like this. I need coffee, bro. I need some freaking coffee, man. I need some fucking coffee, bro. Damn, bro.
Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Knock it out twice, I'm with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder lean. I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in, all feeling go out. This feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind,
So yeah, basically we have a fair value gap right here. We have a change of character right here. Nice change of character. An activation right here at 5 minute fair value gap. Stop loss 5 pips. And we have it is a crazy trade, right? So easy trade to the objective. So guys, stay with it. I'm just gonna trade this reversion right here and bling. I'm gonna sleep a little bit because I'm freaking tired. I'm 10 hours without sleep. I went to bed at 1 a.m. and I got back. I woke up at 6 a.m. It's like 4 or 5 hours sleep. Not quality sleep, right? So as you can see, my brain is not working, but yeah, no worries. It's not something that I do every day, so yeah. No problems, bro. No problema. 8:30 is 3:30. Alright, 3:30. Okay. USD CAD. USD CAD. Oh damn, bro. Freaking. Hate freaking sleep, bro.
I was raised by the wolves. I was raised by the wolves.
So I think the most intelligent
I was raised by the wolves.
stuff you can do is trade USD CAD and euro dollar at the same time. If you got opposite signals at the same time, it means, alright, I'm just gonna repeat this. Try to trade euro dollar and US CAD at the same time. I mean, not to open positions, but to look for trades at the same time, because if you got the same correlation, or, I mean, if you have a positive correlation between those two signals, it means the trade is mostly gonna happen, alright? It's mostly, you're gonna mostly win the trade because you got confirmation in both pairs and you have the correlation, the positive correlation. That means that you will be mostly looking for a profitable trade. You might have a nice win probability if you do this, okay? But if you got all the confirmation just in one pair and in the another one you got no confirmations, that means that something, maybe you're missing something, okay? So I would recommend that, okay? Look for the same confirmation at both pairs of or maybe just maybe you have different confirmations but the same quality trade. Buy at one pair and sell at the other one, or sell at the first pair and buy at the second one. But there's no problem, right, guys? Just gain experience. That's the most important part of this game, the experience. And yeah, just keep a track record with you and journal your feelings, because that's the most important part of trading, the feelings and how to manage them. If you manage them well, you're gonna be successful at trading, alright? So don't take this too personal. Take your studies personal, because that's the only thing that is gonna make you so successful. Okay, so yep. Don't worry, profitability is on its way. I will be doing a trade recap of yesterday's buy at euro dollar, and yep, I would be pretty happy if you can learn something from it. Alright, so that's everything with me today. Take care and see you tomorrow.